Chapter 4 Images, Links and Grids in HTML5. Learning Objectives. Understanding the image tag. Creating hyperlinks with a tag, styling links as buttons. Embedding images as links. Using CSS grids in HTML. In this chapter, you will learn about 3 important features of HTML that enhance the visual appeal and functionality of web pages: images, links, and frames. These elements are crucial in creating interactive and engaging websites. Images in HTML. Images add visual interest and context to your web pages, making them more engaging for visitors. In HTML, the image tag is used to embed an image into a web page. The syntax of the image tag is RC. This attribute specifies the path to the image file. It can be a local path or a URL to an image hosted on the internet. Alt. The alt attribute provides alternative text for the image. This text is displayed if the image fails to load and is also used by screen readers to describe the image to visually impaired users. Width and height. These attributes define the dimensions of the image on the web page. They can be specified in pixels or as a percentage of the screen width. Align. This attribute controls the alignment of the image on the web page. The align attribute can take values like left, right, center, or middle, allowing you to position the image relative to the surrounding text or other elements. For example, in this example, an image named sunrise.jpg is displayed with a width of 500 pixels and a height of 300 pixels centered on the page. If the image does not load, the text "A beautiful sunrise" will be shown instead. Below is a simple example of an HTML web page that demonstrates how to insert and align images using the image tag. This page includes 3 images, each aligned differently on the page. This is a left-aligned image of a beautiful flower. Notice how the text wraps around the image. Aligning images to the left is useful when you want to place text beside an image. This is a right-aligned image of a majestic mountain. The text wraps around the image from the left. This alignment can be used to emphasize the image by placing it prominently on the right side of the page. This image of a stunning sunset is centered on the page. Center alignment is ideal when you want to draw attention to the image and place it prominently in the middle of the content. No more. Different image formats like JPEG, PNG, and GIF have specific use cases based on their properties like compression, transparency, and animation. Linking web pages in HTML. A website is a collection of web pages that are interconnected through links. These links are known as hyperlinks that allow users to navigate between different pages or sections of a website. Hyperlinks are often underlined and change color when the mouse pointer hovers over them, indicating that they are clickable. Types of links. There are 2 primary types of linking. 1. Internal linking. Internal links connect different pages within the same website. These are used to navigate from one page to another within the same domain. 2. External linking. External links connect to pages on different websites. These are used to direct users to resources or related content outside the original website. Creating hyperlinks with the A tag. hyperlinks in HTML are created using the anchor tag. The tag defines the hyperlink and the href attribute specifies the destination URL. The basic syntax of the tag is as follows. href. This attribute specifies the URL of the page or resource you want to link to. It can be an absolute URL linking to an external website or a relative URL linking to another page within the same website. Where URL is the address of the web page to which the link should navigate. Target. This attribute specifies where to open the linked document. The most common value is blank, which opens the link in a new tab or window. For example, we will create a home page and a contact page with a link using the tag on each page to navigate between them. Step 1. Save the following code as index.html to create the home page. Explanation. The tag creates a hyperlink that when clicked will take the user to. Step 2. Save the following code as contact.html to create the contact page. Explanation. The tag creates a hyperlink that when clicked will take the user back to. Step 3. Save the index.html and contact.html files in the same directory on your computer. Open the index.html file in a web browser. Step 4. Click the Go to Contact page link to navigate to the contact page. Step 5. On the contact page, click the Go to Home page link to return to the home page. Each page can be accessed by clicking the links provided on the other pages, allowing easy navigation between different sections of the site. Creating links as buttons in HTML. Sometimes you might want to style a hyperlink to look like a button instead of plain text. This can be achieved using CSS to style the tag, making it visually resemble a button. Below is an example of how to create links that look like buttons. Step 1. Save the following code as index.html to create the home page. Explanation. The button class is used to style the link. The background color is set to green. The text color is white and the button has padding, rounded corners and no underline text decoration. None. Step 2. Save the following code as contact.html to create the contact page. Explanation. The same button class is used, but this time the background color is blue. Step 3. Save the index.html and contact.html files in the same directory on your computer. Open the index.html file in a web browser. Step 4. Click on the Go to Contact page button to navigate to the contact page. Step 5. On the contact page, click on the Go to Home page button to return to the home page. Button style link with hover effect. You can further enhance the button style link by adding a hover effect that changes the appearance of the button when the user moves their mouse over it. Explanation. The transition duration 0.4s property creates a smooth transition effect when the user hovers over the button. Button hover class changes the background color to white, text color to black, and adds a green border. Creating images as links in HTML. In HTML, you can use an image as a clickable link by wrapping the image tag inside an tag. Example. Step 1. Save the following code as index. HTML to create the home page with image link. Explanation. The href about HTML tag wraps around the image tag, turning the image about _icon PNG into a clickable link that navigates to About HTML. Step 2. Save the following code as About HTML to create the About Us page. Explanation. The href index HTML tag wraps around the image home_icon PNG, making it a clickable link that navigates back to index HTML. Step 3. Save the index HTML and About HTML files in the same directory on your computer. Make sure to place the images About_icon PNG and home_icon.png in the same directory as the HTML files. Step 4. Open the index HTML file in a web browser. Step 5. Click the image to navigate to the About Us page. On the About Us page, click the image to return to the home page. Using CSS grids in HTML. Using CSS grid in HTML is a powerful way to create complex, responsive layouts. CSS grid allows you to define rows and columns, placing elements precisely where you want them on the grid. Example. Let's start with a basic example that demonstrates how to create a simple layout using CSS grid. Explanation. 1. Grid container. The grid container div uses display grid to enable grid layout. Grid template columns. 1 Fred, 2 Fred defines two columns where the first one takes up one fraction of the available space and the second one takes up two fractions. Grid template rows auto allows the rows to adjust their height automatically based on content. Gap 10px sets the spacing between grid items. 2. Grid items header spans across both columns. Menu occupies the first column. Content occupies the second column. Footer also spans across both columns. 3. Responsive. The layout adjusts based on the size of the viewport. Example. P-Tag at Tech Innovators, we specialize in delivering cutting-edge technology solutions tailored to meet the unique needs of our clients. Our team of experts is dedicated to pushing the boundaries of innovation and providing services that empower businesses to thrive in the digital age. P-Tag. P-Tag. Our mission is to drive digital transformation for businesses of all sizes, helping them to achieve greater efficiency, productivity, and success. We believe in the power of technology to make the world a better place, and we are committed to being at the forefront of technological advancements. P-Tag. From concept to deployment, we create custom software solutions that align with your business goals. We offer a range of cloud solutions including cloud migration, management, and optimization to help your business scale efficiently. Our experts provide strategic IT consulting services to help you make informed technology decisions that drive growth. Protect your business with our comprehensive cybersecurity services designed to safeguard your data and systems. If you're ready to take your business to the next level with innovative technology solutions, today, we look forward to partnering with you on your digital journey. Chapter Essentials. Images in HTML are added using the image tag with attributes like src, alt, width, and align. The alt attribute is essential for accessibility, providing alternative text for images. Hyperlinks are created using the AR tag, with href specifying the destination URL and target defining where to open the link. Links can be internal within the same website or external to different websites. Hyperlinks can be styled as buttons using CSS to improve user interaction. The hover effect can enhance button-style links by changing appearance on mouse over. Images can be embedded as links, allowing users to click on images to navigate to other pages. Using CSS grids for layout, allowing precise placement of web elements within a grid structure, offering a responsive and flexible way to design web page layout.